Let's do a quick round of 6 words that are often mispronounced. Hi, I'm Paul, and I talk about English words and expressions that never bothered to teach me properly in school. The first word was actually inspired by my breakfast this morning. I love to make smoothies. It's a great start of the day, and I use these berries. See? They look like this. They put them into bowls as well. Now, how would you pronounce the name of this berry? I know it's a little bit exotic, but most people that I've heard pronounce this berry say acai. Acai, can have an acai bowl, please. It's actually acai with the stress on the last syllable. Acai, an acai bowl. That's the first word that's often mispronounced. Since acai is not a super common word, it was maybe a little bit naughty of me to put it in. Maybe I was a little bit of this. What do you think? How would you pronounce this word? Lots of people say mischievous. That's not mischievous, it's mischievous. Mischievous. Yes, the stress is on the first syllable, mischievous. This is actually not one word, although it's okay to spell it as one word, but it's actually 2 words because it comes from Latin. It's et cetera. Et cetera. It means and the rest. Et is and cetera is the rest. So I like it when you keep the original spelling the way it is because it tells you about the history of the word, the etymology, which makes it even more interesting. The word, the way it's spelled, teaches you something about the history of that word. So I like that we keep it separate. Et cetera. By the way, there's no X in here. Do you see that? There's no X. So I don't know why people say etc. Maybe they think it's easier to say, but it's et cetera. So let's keep et cetera the way it is, okay? Let me ask you a question. Does this word rhyme with Super Bowl? Super Bowl? No, it does not. It's not hyperbole. No, it is hyperbole. Hyperbole. It's an exaggerated statement or a claim that's not meant to be taken seriously. Hyperbole. If you often make these types of mistakes, I made this segment especially for you. Especially. Again, do you see an X anywhere in this word? No, there's no X. It's not especially, it's especially. Especially, people. And here's a little bit of more of the same. I am ready to have my cup of espresso. Espresso. It's not espresso. Many people think it's espresso because they think of the word express. Namely, probably because it's a small cup of coffee so they can get it really quickly. But it's espresso. Comes from the Italian word espresso. It means pressed out. Have an espresso. I hope you have a great day. Tot ziens. Bye-bye.